some ice cream.
Here goes the menu.
Wow.
Yes. Which ice cream do you like?
Ooh, you have so many different options. There's chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and more. I'll have strawberry.
Ice cream is ready in a minute. Get strawberry and put it in the cone. There we go. Put it back inside. And let me get the cone. Get the topping. Here you go.
Wow, thank you. Looks so yummy. How much will it be?
Only $5.
Wow, okay. Thank you. Let me get my body. There we go. $5. Can you put your hand out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you for the delicious ice cream. Bye.